how to fix microphone on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So sometimes when you have the work with microphone and your microphone does not work, then you might be lost in order to fix it. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is go to the search bar right here, click on it and click on settings and go to settings. Now go to privacy and security right here, scroll down and go to microphone. Now make sure that this option right here is toggled on. Make sure that the apps have microphone access. You can even choose the microphone access for the specific apps for which you want to use the microphone. I can see right here that all of my options are toggled on, so it's okay if you toggle on all of the options as well. And the next thing to consider is to go to systems right here, go to sound, and if you have many microphones connected to your PC, then choose which microphone you want to use and make sure you choose the working microphone. And the next thing to consider is go to the search bar again and type control panel, and inside the control panel go to sound right here, click on it and this pop-up should appear. Go to the recording section and make sure that these options right here are set. Now in the device usage section you should see don't use this device or use this device. Click on use this device, and you can even increase the levels of working of microphone, so you can just work around with these options and your microphone will be set and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you do it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.